Hello guys, I'm Dr. Nitro and this is Nitro Lab 8 workshop. I make a little rebranding of my workshop and soon my workshop will name named Nitro Lab 8. While 8 bomb now in this time is not convenient name. And I make decision that I have to make little rebranding of my workshop, my name. But it will be a separate video about this. Okay, yesterday I planned to shoot a demo video about vintage Nitro Lab potentiometers, and with my sound something went wrong. Usually I use in my workshop this cable. This is Italian cable Bofors, noiseless, oxygen-free copper. This cable I used for 10 years, and this was my testing cable for testing guitar if it's work. And yesterday I got my main cable that I use at home for playing and in the stage. This is my main cable called Mogami Platinum Plus Ultra Dynamic Instrument Cable. This is really great cable, and I plugged my guitar with this cable, and today I want to show you how different can sound two cables. Many people don't know that, and especially Russian language people on my Russian language channel say it. I hear many times that this is not real, that you can hear difference in sound with cables. This is unnormal, or but today I want to show you the difference about two cables. This is not cheap cable, but this is expensive cable. I bought this cable for about $175 on eBay. At first we want to listen Italian cable Bofors. I will use my Fender Junior amp and T-Rex Müller pedal. Then I want to use my 59 Les Paul clone 8-bomb custom with 59 clones set with Alnica 4 magnets. Here in volume is two vintage original Nitro Lab potentiometers. In tone is V-pots and original capacitors. One in neck position is Black Beauty, and in bridge position is Bumblebee, paper and oil. Okay, let's try. So record on. Volume on 6, tone on 10, bridge pickup. Turn on 6 to a little bit more clearance. Little bit gain with volume. Okay, and now I want to switch the cables. Here come Mogami. Okay. Okay, volume on 6, tone on 10. Okay, now switch the cables. Then So my friends, I think this was a great image of difference with two different cables. Write in comments what you think, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my Patreon page. Here you can find a lot of videos, full version videos of my work in this workshop, and many experiments. Tomorrow I will try shoot another one video about testing these vintage potentiometers, and full version you will find on my Patreon page. So now I say goodbye to you, but not for long. Rock and roll for all.